Hello, great learners and my video viewers. Without wasting our precious time, we go to our topic. Well, while I record this video, the time is evening time. But be ready because now I take you to very closer to the sun. After watching this, you may know that what is sun. The question arises behind this video why I choose this topic. I choose this because NASA Parker Solar Probe recently in news you have heard about this, which came under magnetic field of sun, and the temperature of this field is approx 10 lakh to 20 lakh degree Celsius. I suppose that you all know that the distance between Earth and Sun, which is 14 crore 32 lakh kilometer. But in India, we daily experience sun's grace by doing Surya Namaskar asanas and worshipping sun as a demigod. Well, this probe mission will end in 2025 and it is far from sun nearly 78 lakh kilometer. This is first time and the first one to reach sun's corona. But why? NASA launched this mission to understand sun's nature. Okay? Now you all know about, I hope that you all know about coronavirus, but the sun's corona is different term which means magnetic field of sun which remains on sun's surface because due to sun's gravitational force. And uh, and one thing I want to relate this statement, that is, now you all have a question in your mind that why this probe doesn't destroyed. Okay, because of thermal shield of carbon particles, and this probe also have a cooling system in itself. We know about 800 years old sun temple at Konark, Odisha. Okay, uh, uh, now you all think that why I tell this, because I want you to make aware about sun facts. Now I tell you about sun, why it is so hot. This topic is from physics class 9th book, ICSC board, under head energy flow. As we all every time learn that sun is the ultimate source of our energy which provides us heat and light, but you always have a question in your mind that how, why. Now I tell this, because of nuclear fusion takes place inside sun, keeping on liberating enormous amount of heat and light energy. You know the fact that 47% of sun's heat and light only reach the earth's surface. Rest is refracted back to the space, which makes moon and other satellites or planets shinier. Sunlight has solar energy received by earth's surface of 1 meter square area in 1 second, which is called solar constant, which is equal to 1.4 kilojoule per meter square per second. Okay, now let us understand nuclear fusion. Okay, nuclear fusion, as I earlier tell you, which makes sun brighter and hotter. Fusions means to combine together. It means that combining together of two or more nuclei to form a single nucleus, a process in which two lighter nuclei fuse, combine together to form a stable, heavier nucleus. with a simultaneous release of very large amount of energy. Well, this process takes only at very high temperature, and the temperature is which and the temperature which makes this reaction, which happens this reaction, which is the reason behind this reaction, that is 4 to 15 million degrees Celsius. And we use this process to produce electricity by splitting uranium atom. Okay, now I want to terminate this video. I hope you understand well. So now I signing off. Have a nice day. Thank you. Jai Hind.